Okay, so I'm going to do something just real quick here today. I've told a couple of people about this sandwich. I grew up eating these things. I think it's probably something a little more southern than it is American. Although being southern is being American, I understand. But I believe it's the southeastern United States where they eat this the most. But what I'm going to do is start out here with some wheat bread. Now you can use white or honey wheat or whatever kind of bread you like the best. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to put some peanut butter on there on one side. Now, I like chunky peanut butter. You can use smooth, you can use all natural, use whatever you want. You just want to get some peanut butter onto your piece of bread there. Okay, so there's a piece of bread with some peanut butter on it. That's easy enough to recognize. Okay, now I'm going to add some banana. Now you can do it in little circles, like I'm doing here. Or you can do it another way. Okay, here I've cut the banana into long strips. I really don't think it makes any difference which way you do it. The peanut butter always seems to glue the banana into the sandwich. I know, I'm back to the circles. That's the way I grew up, so that's the way I make it. Now, I didn't grow up doing this, but I think all of you probably have heard of putting honey and peanut butter together, which is really good. So, not too long ago, I started doing this crazy thing, which is to add a little bit of honey to my peanut butter and banana sandwich. Now that really makes it good. So all we have to do is put the top on this. I usually just take it and wrap it in a paper towel and eat it that way, but I know a lot of people like to cut their sandwiches. So we'll just take this and cut it and end up with this really pretty peanut butter and banana sandwich. Now before you scoff at this, I want you to try one, because this is the perfect hide from coronavirus sandwich. It's easy to make. It has protein, it has potassium, it has all that stuff that you'll find in peanut butter and bananas. And honey has a little bit of stuff in it besides the sweetness. And, you know, bread gives you some good fiber. So, all you people enjoy your PB&B, peanut butter and banana sandwich. And make sure you stay away from those old ugly coronaviruses. Now, there we go. The perfect shut up in your house, not being able to do anything sandwich. Please try one, and thank you for joining me.